if I can get your attention, holy cow, this is a busy place. What an awesome turnout on this Thursday afternoon for our red carpet event. This is Fairway Mortgage. They've been here probably about a year and a half, I think. So I would like to introduce Andrew Bumgard. Let me put my glasses on. Storta Bumgard. And Sam, y'all know Sam. Who's Sam? Sam. Katie and Bree is in the back. Andrew, I'm just going to turn it over to you and tell us what's going on.
Well, thank you all for coming. We're just excited to be in Cheyenne and have the folks that we have here. So Fairway Independent Mortgage is actually a company of about 7,000 people, which is a pretty large mortgage company. And I'm sure all of you are like, I've never heard you guys before, right? And that's because we operate locally. Everywhere we are, we do everything grassroots. And so that's why we have the folks that we have here on the street to get our names out. We're just excited to be in the community, and Sam can tell you a little bit about, and Katie as well. So,
you know, it's funny. I've been to countless number of these, and I always was like, "Oh, it's so easy." Now I'm on this side. I have no idea what I'm supposed to say. I recently, in the last couple months, joined Fairway, and I'm super excited to be a part of the company. Coming from a background working in banking and doing mortgage loans, coming to this company is opening my eyes. It's like drinking from a fire hose, the number of products and investors and unique opportunities we have to be able to help home buyers and homeowners, be it in first-time home buyers or VA or refinancing. It's just really cool to be part of the company that has so many opportunities to help people, and really a company that we try not to say no. Really try to find that answer for every single person. As you all know that at Own a Home and have gone through the process, each file is different, each home is different, each individual is different, so trying to find that unique take on every file is really important to us. Katie's been doing this for a lot longer, so...
Well, I don't have to say anything now, because Sam said it all, but I've been doing this for 15 years. I came to Fairway, like I said, a year and a half ago, and it's just an amazing company. Great to work for. We have fuller products, and like Sam said, we don't say no. We try to get everybody into a home and just make it a great experience for everyone. This is Bree. She's our assistant. That's my person.
So I would say one of the things, a lot of people see the name Fairway, and what do you think of?
Golf,
Yeah.
Right? And so most people that I run into, it's like, oh, your CEO, the guy that formed you, must have been a really big golfer. And that's not true. What the reason for the name is that we are about the fair way. We're about treating people fair. And that is actually...
Took me a second, but I got there.
I don't even think I've seen it. And the last thing is we have another event on October 10. So we run a nonprofit called the American Warrior Initiative. And it's our mission to help veterans who've either gotten into a really hard time or have a disability. And so we're going to be raising some money for disabled veterans on that evening. And so that's going to be actually in Fort Collins at the Sundance, if you've ever been there. We're going to have some dancing afterwards. So anyways, October 10th, 5:30 to 9:30 or whenever they kick us out.
And I just want to give a big shout out and thank you, since he's here, to Jess Ryan with Compass Wealth Group. He donated a fishing trip out at his family's ranch in Saratoga, which is really awesome to help us. So thank you, Jess, for that. Yeah.
So I know we got a lot of realtors and bankers here. The market is hot here, so there's got to be a question or two. So open it up to questions.
You're all just here to drink and eat, right?
What sets you guys apart?
Speed of service.
Yeah, core value number 5 for us is speed. So that even relates to our clients. So we have the ability to close in as little as 10 days, which in most markets is just not heard of. Now we need to get an appraisal, so it's really on the appraisers and how busy they are. But if we can even rush an appraisal, we can get that done. We can close it within 4 to 10 days.
Sam, what's your score?
Something that I want to point out that Andrew can go for it.
Humility first is core value number 1, and I won't go through the whole. But the third one is have fun. So let's have some fun tonight.
Perfect.
Woo! Yeah.
But before we have fun, we need to get a picture taken. So where would you like to get a picture?
Right here.
Sure, that's great. That corner is wonderful.